Warning: don't buy until watching video to the end. Ikaria juice is a delightful and invigorating beverage that has become a staple in my daily routine. Packed with natural goodness and bursting with flavor, this juice offers a refreshing experience that goes beyond ordinary fruit juices. What sets Ikaria juice apart is its unique blend of exotic fruits and herbs sourced from the Mediterranean island of Ikaria, known for its vibrant culture and longevity. Each sip transports you to a world of tropical paradise, with a harmonious fusion of flavors that dance on your taste buds. Beyond its tantalizing taste, Ikaria juice is a nutritional powerhouse. It is enriched with a high concentration of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, providing a natural boost to your immune system and overall well-being. The thoughtfully selected ingredients contribute to its health benefits, offering a natural energy lift and promoting vitality. One aspect that I truly appreciate about Ikaria juice is its commitment to quality. The juice is made from carefully selected, organic ingredients, ensuring the absence of any artificial additives or preservatives. This attention to detail is reflected in the pure, authentic taste that remains consistent with each bottle. The convenient packaging of Ikaria juice makes it easy to enjoy on the go, whether you're heading to work, hitting the gym, or simply relaxing at home. It's a refreshing choice for a midday pick-me-up or a revitalizing addition to your morning routine. In conclusion, Ikaria juice is a true gem among fruit juices. With its exotic blend of flavors, nutritional benefits, and commitment to quality, it offers a refreshing and invigorating experience. Whether you're seeking a healthy boost or simply want to indulge in a delicious beverage, Ikaria juice is a delightful choice that will leave you wanting more. If you want to order, click the link in the description and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy featured videos.